Mosquitoes are not insects. They are flying syringes with attitude. They don't bite because they're hungry. They bite because you relaxed. A mosquito doesn't arrive loudly. It whispers near your ear, just enough to let you know sleep is cancelled. They don't want blood. They want inconvenience. You can be in a field of 1,000 people. It will find you, like you're on a list. They don't land once. They test areas: ankle, wrist or elbow crease. Personal, you slap randomly, miss completely. And now you're clapping alone in the dark. They don't leave quietly, they leave evidence. Itching, swelling, regret. A mosquito doesn't weigh anything, but it will ruin an entire evening. You can hear one from across the room, and suddenly you're in defensive mode. Lights on, windows checked, trust issues activated. Mosquitoes aren't part of nature. They're tiny revenge machines, and somehow, the only creature capable of beating you without ever being seen properly.